Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDF documents on your personal computer. We'll explore straightforward methods to add your signature digitally, making your document workflows much more efficient. You'll learn how to use both readily available software and built-in tools to securely place your signature. This process saves you time and resources, eliminating the need for printing, signing by hand, and then scanning. Get ready to streamline your document management with just a few simple clicks. One common way to sign PDFs is by using free software like Adobe Acrobat Reader. First, open your PDF document within the application. Look for the Fill and Sign tool, usually located in the right-hand pane. From there, you can easily create a new signature by typing your name, drawing it with your mouse, or even uploading an image of your handwritten signature. Once created, simply drag and drop it onto the desired location on your document, adjusting its size as needed. Did you know you can also sign PDFs directly within your web browser? If you're using a Windows PC, Microsoft Edge offers a convenient built-in feature. Just open your PDF document using Edge. In the toolbar at the top, you'll find a Draw Tool icon. Click on it, select your preferred pen color and thickness, and then use your mouse or a stylus to draw your signature directly onto the document. After signing, remember to save the modified PDF to your computer. Beyond these methods, you can also explore various online PDF signing services for quick, one-off needs, or consider dedicated e-signature software for more robust, legally compliant solutions, especially for business use. A crucial best practice is always to save a copy of your original, unsigned document before making any changes. Additionally, ensure your digital signature is clear, legible, and appropriately sized on the document for professional presentation. These tips will help you sign with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.